welcome to Coding Bus. In this video we are going to learn about how to add two numbers in Java. Okay, let's get into the code now. We need two variables, int a equal to 100 comma b equal to 200. We need another variable to store the value a plus b. Let's print c. Dot print ln of add of a and b. Let's print c. Okay, that's it. A plus b, 100 plus 200, 300. Similarly, we can use other data types like double. Let's use double x equal to 10.2 comma y equal to 20.2. Yeah, we need another variable to store the value. Double b equal to x plus y. Okay, let's print t out of print ln of add of x and y b. Okay, here it is. Add of x and y is 30.4. 10.2 plus 20.2 is 30.4. That's it. But there is a slight difference in float. Let's see what. Okay, let's use float. Float f equal to 10.2. In Java, by using float, it shows error because in Java all the decimal values are given to only double, which was read by only double. So if we want to use float, we have to use typecasting. So you must and should we have to mention here float. It was float. That's it. Now we can use f value. Let's take under float f2 equal to float of 20.2. Okay, let's take another for storing the value f3 equal to f plus f2. Okay, let's print f3. So print ln of add of f and f2. Okay, inverted commas. Okay, let's print f3. That's it. Okay, let's run the code now. Here it is. The float value is 30.400002. That's it. We have used integer value, double value, and float value. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you, and stay tuned to Coding Bus.